Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack, and today I will be showing you how to update Brave browser Android. So guys, there is only one way in order for you to do this, so make sure to follow along. First one is you could just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your Android device. And now, once you are here on your Play Store, you can tap on the search icon at the bottom and use the search bar at the top and search for Brave over here. Now, here on the Brave browser, as you can see, when there is any updates available, you should be able to see here update instead of open. Now, you could go ahead and tap on the Brave application over here and it will expand. Here, as you can see, sadly, I am running on the latest version since I just downloaded this earlier, but if you have the update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. Now, another key that you should consider, select the three dots on the top right, and you will have here enable auto update. So from here, make sure to have it checked. So when there is an update, you should be able to be always running the latest version of the Brave browser and you won't have any issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.